Welcome. If you've been getting non-stop alerts on X, formerly known as Twitter, every time someone mentions your name or replies to one of your posts, this video will show you exactly how to turn off those notifications on the X web version using the latest update. It's quick, easy, and will give you some peace and quiet while scrolling or working on your PC. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to x.com. Once you're signed in, look at the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. There, you'll find the Notifications tab. Click on it, and then look for the Settings option usually shown with a small gear icon. Click that as well. From here, you'll enter the Notifications settings menu. On this new page, select Preferences, then click on Push Notifications. This section gives you control over the types of alerts that pop up when you're signed into your account. Now, scroll down to find a category called Related to You and your posts. Underneath that, you'll see options for mentions and replies. This is where the noise comes from. To turn them off, simply switch both of these options to off. Once you do, X will no longer send you notifications whenever someone mentions your handle or replies to your tweets. You can always go back later and turn them on again if you change your mind. But for now, leaving them off will help you focus and cut down on distractions. It's a good idea to take a minute to review other sections here, too. You can also adjust settings for likes, reposts, and new followers while you're at it, to create a more peaceful social media experience overall, and that's it. You've now successfully turned off mention and reply notifications on X for web. A few clicks, and you're done. Take control of your notifications and enjoy browsing without constant interruptions.